All right, 13 and 14, it's multi-step. It has the distributive property in it. 13, you're better at. 14, this is a really common mistake. Students will add or subtract prior to distributing. You're not allowed to. You have to do the distribution first. Okay, so here again, just positive 36n, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Negative 6, positive 2, negative 12. Again, know your equal sign. Where is it located? It's here. So if I want to combine the 12 and the negative 28, I'm going to add 12. So you're going to inverse operate. And so I get, what is that, 16? Oh, I know what I did. Oh yeah, it is 16. Okay, I just want to make a mistake. And then you would divide by 36. Okay. Is this okay? Is that what you got? Yeah? Okay, so this one's really nice and clean. Watch your signs, watch your negatives. Like I said, at the end of the semester, some of you, you're looking at a full letter grade or half a grade had you not made all these little minor human errors. And they're really common. You're going to see me make them as well. Okay? Here, you get negative 201 equal negative 3. You cannot combine these yet. Remember, PEMDA's order of operation is here you have parentheses. That's right here. And then you have to first distribute or multiply that positive 6 to the two terms. You cannot do the negative 6 plus 6 and get positive 3 and then distribute it. That's not allowed. So you're skipping. Okay, so parentheses first. So negative 3 and then minus 36x. Then minus 18. Okay, now you're going to combine like terms or CLT. So here's what it is. Here's my equal sign. Know where it is. You have two constants, negative 3 and negative 18. They're on the same side of the equal sign. They're both on the right side. So if they're on the same side of the equal sign, you honor their symbols. If they're positive or negative, you honor. No switching. So if I have a negative 3 and I have a negative 18, you add and keep the sign, right? So negative 3 minus 18, there's no shame in using a calculator and verifying it. So what's negative 3, negative 18? Negative 21, because you're going to add and keep the sign. So negative 21 minus 36x. It doesn't matter if you have the 36 first and the negative 21 after. And so again, where's your equal sign? And now you're going to inverse operate. I want the 21 to combine with the negative 201, so switch the negative to a positive. So this goes to 0. 201. Oh wait, that's supposed to be a negative. Oh, you guys can't see anyways. I keep forgetting. Yeah, you're gonna have to let me know. Sometimes with the shadowing, I'll put the calculator somewhere and you won't be able to see the screen. So just communicate. Negative 180. Negative 36x. And you get 5. Yeah. So a lot of the worksheets you'll get here, sometimes there'll be a lot of problems on the worksheets. I usually end up doing about half the problems on the sheet because you got to get the details right. And it's not to worry because you're going to end up doing quizzes like every 3 days. So, you know, the fact that I did half the assignment doesn't matter because now it's your turn with your partner. Okay? So just make sure you write neat so that you can read it, so that then when there's a quiz, you can grab your worksheets, look at them, and you know what applies where. Okay, the class is not difficult unless your math skills tutoring on Tuesdays after school, 3:30 to 4:30, right? So obviously as the semester runs through, I'll remind you guys. I'll come around and give you guys credit for this. As far as credit for work, you can get it the day of, because maybe it's easy for you, so you're like, I'm done. I'm the first one done, whatever. I'll give you credit the next day. It's the same amount of credit, okay? And it just kind of depends, because some of the worksheets will sometimes be ongoing. I forgot, let me turn this off.